Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to add a shortcut to open any iMessage thread instantly on your iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Shortcut app on your iPhone. Tap plus sign to create new shortcut. Tap search for actions. Type open conversation and tap open conversation. Tap conversations and a list of your message threads will appear. Select the conversation you want to open. It could be a friend, family member, group chat, or even yourself. Tap the down arrow button on top. Tap rename. You can type any name, then tap done. Now again tap down arrow button and tap add to home screen. You can choose any color or any icon and tap done. Tap add on top right. In your iPhone home screen, you will see your new shortcut. Anytime you can tap on the shortcut to quickly launch your favorite messages, chats. So these are the steps to add a shortcut to quickly launch your favorite messages, chats on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.